The creative community that jettisoned designers like Elie Saab, Zuhair Murad and Reem Akra to international fame and fortune is in turmoil due to a triple crisis. Lebanese-based designers are grappling with the country's worst economic situation in history. The pandemic has caused fashion sales to crash, and ateliers of established and emerging brands were devastated by August's port explosion. But help is at hand, with a stylish safety net provided by the United for Lebanese Creatives campaign. It's a globally backed crowdfunding initiative which identified more than 30 Lebanese designers and artists with damages running into the hundreds of thousands of dollars. A recipient is designer Ronnie Halou, who established his Beirut-based label in 2017, based on the principles of sustainable fashion. His workshop was devastated in August, and the 28-year-old didn't have insurance.
Because of the blast, we had a lot of physical damages, whether in the atelier, in the equipments, machines, patterns, fabrics, the collections as well. Also, we had to cancel a lot of orders, so we estimate the damages at $15,000. We're going to be using the money from the fund to rebuild the atelier and sustain the brand and keep paying salaries.
Ronnie lost an entire men's collection due for September release in the UAE. It was made up of environmentally friendly, discarded fabrics and so-called dead stocks of materials. Like Ronnie, ready-to-wear and couture designers George Azzi and Assad Osta are equally eco-conscious in their approach to fashion. The duo, who set up shop in 2010, have dressed the likes of Sharon Stone and Queen Rania of Jordan. And they are also recipients of the United for Lebanese Creatives Fund, having seen their new headquarters plus their collection and back catalogues destroyed 2 months ago.
The damage was on all levels. Physically, we had 10 injured staff members, and also the collections, the embroideries, library, the archives. The damage is around no less than $100,000, and it will take, of course, no less than 1 year to reconstruct everything.
Lebanese designers have the compassion of the global fashion community right now, which was evident during September's Milan Fashion Week, where 6 Lebanese designers were showcased on a digital platform alongside giants of the industry.
It was a great opportunity being part of Milan Fashion Week. It helped shed the light on the brand, and our spot was scheduled just before the Valentino show, which gave us more visibility and gave us hope and even strength to go on and keep on giving.
Azzi, Osta and Ronnie were all proud to fly the creative flag for their struggling country, and prouder still to bring their brands to a global audience which has arguably never been paying such close attention.